How to MetaMask wallet connect Pixelverse. So if you want to connect Pixelverse to your MetaMask wallet, it's actually quite very simple. You just have to launch the MetaMask wallet app and just make sure you are logged into your account or your wallet. And once you make sure that you are logged in, maybe that you want to go ahead and then connect the Pixelverse wallet or import its token to it. For that, after you are logged in, right here you can see the button that says import. So simply tap on the import option that you see there. And here in the search tokens tab, you want to go ahead and just type in Pixelverse. After you do that, you'll find Pixelverse right there. Just make sure to select that, then tap on the next option and follow the on-screen instructions in order to go ahead and then connect Pixelverse and MetaMask wallet. So I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you soon as always in our next video.